Hi, this is Giz for the Solana Collective, and today I'd like to ask you a simple question. Did you got any Radium token that are actually sleeping and make your Phantom wallet unhappy and sad? I got a solution for you, and it's really simple. You just have to go on the Radium.io website. This is the avenue for the evolution of DeFi. This is the light speed swap, frictionless yield, and the next level liquidity for your token. To use that, it's simple as click on the launch app. I'm gonna connect my wallet. So you can choose the different kind of wallet. And I'm gonna choose my tiny, lovely Phantom here. So now my wallet is connected. I'm gonna choose the staking, and I'm gonna click on the stacking pool here to stack my array, click on max, and confirm. The transaction has been sent and already been confirmed. So now I just have to check my array that are working actually. So you're gonna harvest them on a regular basis, like every day. And finally, you're gonna make him a happy Radium and a happy Phantom. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let's see on another new stuff on a new area on the blockchain of Solana.